Well, what can I say about the COA, Client on Automations? Well, I just can say that it helps me to start my business. I had an idea of what I wanted to do. I had an idea of, no, I didn't have an idea of how to do it. And this is why I joined the Client on Automation program, because I wanted to get to know how to get where I wanted to. I knew I wanted a program, I knew I wanted to coach people, but I didn't know how I was going to create the program, to sell it, and to get people to pay me for that. So my main concern when I started, when I joined, was obviously the money. No, I was gonna spend certain money that I didn't know if it was gonna be another waste of money and time into something that promised me to achieve what I want to, but I don't. So I decided to go in, and I started to go modules by modules, doing everything that the program says. And all of a sudden, I was hesitant sometimes, like, oh my God, what am I doing? But all of a sudden, I got people calling me, asking me for the program, and in a few months' time, I get back the money I invested in the program itself. So that was awesome. And also the confidence that it has given me to go through every module and to do just how it says. It has saved me a lot of time of thinking, wondering, doubting. No, none of that. Just go for it, do it, and see if it makes result. Wow, it does make results. So that is great. Then another thing I love is the community. Everyone in the Facebook group share their outcome. They share their challenges, and you can see how people. I could see how people at the beginning. Oh my God! I just made my first sale. Or oh my God! I don't know how to change this in the ad. And I was like, oh my God! When am I gonna get to that point? And then I see myself posting, how did you do that on ad? Or how did you change this or that? Or, oh my God, I made my 3 first sales. And that is such a boost. That is awesome. So yes, if you are wanting to create your own program, just do it. Do it, because you don't need to hesitate. You don't need to do anything. You just need to follow it through, and you will get the result. Isn't it that awesome?